What I'm going to do here is I'm going to add in a filter in Excel. So how do you create filter? There's so many ways on how you can apply filter to a database. Yeah, multiple ways. In my usual classes, I'll give the full range, but in this case, I'll give a simple one. So in a database concept, please bear in mind, please do not have a blank rows and blank columns like this one. No blank rows, no blank column. Massage your data. Why? Because when you don't have that, you're gonna work in a very fast way with Excel. Increase your speed tremendously. Okay? It helps a lot. It helps a lot. So for instance, if I look to apply filter, I can just do this. Click at one cell from my database, I go to data and click filter. Done. Not like other people, they will select like that, they will do this, and some will do that, or even to select the whole database like so, just to apply filter. When all your database are connected, rows and columns, just click at one cell, filter, done. And starting from version 2007 and above, conditional formatting works tremendously well with filter, conditional formatting. Why? Because now you can even filter by color. This is what you want. It's easy, super easy. In the older version, you can only have a maximum of 3 rows per cell. But starting from 2007, you have more options, varieties of conditional formattings, and you can even put multiple rows in one cell, more than 3. Most books says a lot, but I've come across one journal where I read says per cell is 15,000. So that is how you collaborate conditional formatting with filter and also data validation.